Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Bully Kicked Out of Laundromat Over Disgusting Behavior."
On August 3rd, 2025, officers responded to a laundromat for a call of a customer battering another customer.
Hello. What happened?
I don't know what happened. All I know is that they were in front of each other with the car. I thought they were just talking. But then I guess that's her daughter was telling me that she pushed the other one. That lady at the drive.
I guess they
pushed her.
It may have been, yeah, I guess she asked her to move. She became upset or something.
Yeah. So
Did you see anything between each other than talking?
No, not really. She wanted to get her clothes out of the dryer right next to where she's standing, and she wouldn't move. So it's like she's right here, but the open dryer is there.
Right.
So after, because she moved to the side, so the lady can get her clothes. I'm not in her way. I'm not in her way. And so I called my boss to ask him how he want me to handle the situation. He said that if she didn't move, to call you all.
You want her to be trespassed or no?
You want me to call my boss to ask?
That's up to you. I mean,
let me call him and
because if
ask
she's
him.
gonna act a certain way and not listen to you, then you don't have to put up with that.
Right. She always have a little problem. I ain't never, I guess, seen her get that
She a
far.
problem child out here?
Yes, it's like wherever she's at, if I'm washing here, I'm gonna be in my space.
Do you want to call your boss to see if he
I'ma
wants to
call him,
trespass? You don't have to. I mean, you have the authority to do that yourself without your boss. I mean, you're an employee, you're a representative.
Right.
But
Hey, Andrew, so one of the customers ended up calling and they want to know
the basically Spanish lady and the black lady down there, they're drying clothes next to each other. The Spanish lady asked her to, according to her, kindly move so she can get her clothes. She ignored her. She asked her again to move, and I guess she kind of turned the cart and it hit her. Said it was maybe accidental, but I guess she got involved with the manager and said, "Hey, can you move?" And she kind of gives her a hard time, and so I'm asking her if she wants her to be trespassed because, according to her, she's have a problem child when she's here. So, but there's no crime or nothing. It's just, yeah, it's just a 22. But lady over there apparently could be a pain in the ass.
We can ask her to leave.
Yeah, that's what I'm. Yeah.
We can ask her to leave. Yeah. If she's a problem right now, if you don't want to trespass her, we don't have to.
We don't have
to. We can
to,
tell her to leave to remove the situation.
You want her to leave?
Well,
Do you want her to leave now?
yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
How you doing, ma'am? Ma'am?
Ma'am.
I'm doing my stuff. I ain't got time for this.
Ma'am? We don't want this to escalate. We just need you to move.
Well, before we get into that action, because I already know, I could tell this is about to get real good, man. I just wanted to explain something real quick. Some people may be confused, so I have it pulled up here, right? What's the difference between assault and battery, right? Because you've seen these guys mention, you know, in the beginning, they was like, she was battered or whatever, right? And then she, you know, when they were talking to the employees, said, man, well, I thought it was assault or whatever the case may be, right? So here we go, right? Assault is generally the threat of action that creates a reasonable fear of imminent harm. So that would be like putting your fist up, like as if you're ready to fight, you know, throwing hands like that, right? And then battery is the actual physical contact itself. So if I was to actually throw fists and then actually make contact with you, right, or push you or anything like that. So that's the difference between assault and the difference between that's the difference between assault and battery, in case you did not know.
Ma'am? Ma'am, you need to leave. You need to leave.
Ma'am.
Okay?
Oh my God! The police will not stop harassing me. Oh my God!
All right, you need to leave, okay?
Help!
All right, ma'am, don't.
Oh my God!
Don't make
Help
this
me!
what
The
it
police
doesn't
are
need to be.
attacking me!
Ma'am,
Help me, God! Help me!
ma'am, ma'am. Can you get your stuff and please leave, ma'am?
Oh my God! The police will not stop!
Ma'am. All right, let me see if she wants to get trespassed.
Go ahead.
All right. Do you want a trespasser?
Go ahead.
All right.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
All right.
Right now, we go all the way to the Supreme Court and everybody involved.
Ma'am,
Go ahead.
ma'am. Can you listen to what I have to say?
I'm listening to my music.
All right.
I have time to be with y'all on Sunday.
Come on, get her together, man. We ain't got time for this.
The manager wants you to leave.
Okay.
Okay? If you don't get your stuff and leave, you are going to be arrested for trespass after warning.
Go ahead.
Okay?
Do what you gotta do.
Are you refusing
Do
to
what you
leave?
gotta do.
Are you refusing to leave?
Get her together.
Ma'am, are you refusing to
Do
leave?
what you gotta do. I'm listening to my music.
Are
Get her together, man. She ain't acting right. Come on, chop, chop.
you refusing to leave?
So I wonder what happened in the 1960s when
Are you
individuals
refusing to leave, ma'am?
criminalized the police and utilized the police.
Are you refusing
my
to leave,
God.
ma'am?
Let me go over here.
Are you refusing to leave?
Do what you gotta do.
Are you refusing to leave? All right, get up. Get up. Get up. Don't do this. Don't resist.
Don't resist. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't scratch me. All right? Don't.
You okay? Look at the cameras. Look at Miss Rita. Look at the cameras, and these people will see us. Listen. Look at the cameras.
We don't
No, right now.
And you got to open the door. You got to open the door, okay?
So as soon as I've been harassed by
I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. My name's Lieutenant. Stand the deputy some level of force today to arrest you.
I don't know. The police were just because they was the only ones jumping around. That is, you'll see it on the camera.
Do you want to talk to me? Kid?
This is my name.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
First name. You.
Well, that's okay. You can do that.
Look, freaky ass. Take the pictures with this camera.
Yeah, I know.
He didn't call him a. They didn't call
you don't have
another.
to-
They didn't call another.
You don't have to say
They
that.
called another. You want to say it? He called another.
Hold up. Let me get a picture of you, ma'am. Ma'am, over. Can you look? Please? Ma'am, can you look at me and let me take your picture, please?
Y'all will. Y'all not.
Ma'am, can you just turn your face towards me and let me get a picture of you?
Look at him. He's
Ma'am,
sitting
can you look at me so I can take your picture? Ma'am, could you please cooperate?
thumbs up.
Do you have any?
She's a problem child here?
Yes, she is.
Is this a... Okay. I just want to
I
see...
can usually talk to her and not have a problem
Yeah.
with her no more, but I don't know. I'm here today, so.
We asked her to leave. She didn't leave. We asked her politely to leave, then she wouldn't leave. I asked her if she wants to trespass, and I asked her to leave again under her trespass warning. She refused to leave. We had to use force.
The woman was charged with battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
Let's see. And now we know the difference between battery and assault. So she actually physically put her hands on somebody. Right. But anyways, yeah, I don't know. They kept asking her so many times, man. I'm sitting here like, come on, man. How many times are you gonna sit there and keep asking her, are you gonna cooperate or get up and all of this other? Man, I'm gonna ask you 2 times, man. If I gotta ask you a third, you ain't gonna like it. Straight like that. That we ain't even gonna get to 3. You know, they say 3 strikes, you're out. Man, we ain't even getting to 3. I'm gonna ask you 2 times. Boy, if I gotta say it a third, boy, you're cooked. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna get officers 4 out of 5. Ultimately, they did do their job. They got the job done. I just don't like all the, you know, I feel like it took too long. You know what I mean? People there, they doing laundry. They only got 1 day off a week or maybe 2 times a week, you know, and you know, here's their time to go down to the laundromat, get their stuff together, you know, get ready, get the family clothes cleaned and all that, and they gotta sit here and deal with that. Come on, man, get her out of there. So I'm gonna give a 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.